Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. Today we'll be doing a part 2 of my rice wine, so stay tuned. Okay, we'll be racking this rice wine. I had the big rice cake in here, but I went ahead and got it out and removed it a day ago and squeezed all the fluid out and let the sediments kind of settle. It got it shook up, kind of picking it up and putting it here. So but it will settle again in our fermenter. This is a 1 gallon, just a jug wine, and this is a 2.5 gallon fermenter, and this is a racking cane because it kind of looks like a cane, or they also call it auto siphon. This is to transfer it from here to here with a couple of pumps, and this is sanitized, and this has been sanitized and pre-cleaned. It's pretty simple. You want to keep the hose on where it goes to the side of the jar and all the way to the bottom, so it'll help reduce the amount of oxidation that your wine will get. And just a couple of pumps to get it going, and you'll kind of tip it back. Couple pumps. Come on now. Usually it's better if your source is slightly higher than your destination. Just a little bit of warning to you. While I got that rice cake out of this, it started to smell like cheese. So it was in one of my bathrooms, and my children kept saying, "What's that smell? It smells like somebody threw up or cheese." So the actual fluid smells like a wine. So, but that cake of rice, it did smell like, to me it smelled like cheese, but they were like, "Ugh." So to satisfy the family, I pitched that a couple of days ago. So just FYI, if it starts to smell too much like cheese, just get rid of that rice cake. So we're gonna keep racking this over to the secondary, and then we'll be right back. All right, we got it transferred to our secondary. If you want to get a little sip real quick, just get you a wine thief, or like I said, just get you a straw. Just get you a little sip, and it may taste a little funky because it's young and just been transferred. That's good. I like that. Can't wait to see what it tastes like. And if you want a little stronger, like I said, you can add some more sugar to this, and it'll make it the alcohol content bump up, or you can just let it roll like this until all the sediment starts to settle out and it gets clear. So, and that may take up to a year. So, and if it ain't clear within a month, I'm gonna rack it again to a tertiary or a third racking till this wine gets clear. Then we'll get us a tasting. So I'll be right back to wrap things up. And that's that's step 2 of a rice wine. We racked it to the secondary, and we're gonna wait till it clears, and we're gonna bottle it. So it should be another month. I'm gonna let it age in a bottle for maybe anywhere up to a year till it starts tasting good. So stay tuned for that. If you like my channel, you want to support the work I do here, the Amazon affiliate links in the description below. If you click any of those links, go about your normal Amazon shopping. I'll get commissions on anything you purchase, and that'll go to help me buy equipment and ingredients. Also, there is a PayPal emblem on my main channel page. If you click that, anything you donate to me also help with equipment and ingredients. This is Chris with Winemaker TV. That's all there is today.